To split payments with Klarna Payment. Start by selecting Klarna as your payment method at checkout on your chosen online retailer. Once you have selected Klarna, you will be redirected to the Klarna website to complete your payment. On the Klarna website, you will be given the option to split your payment into installments. This can be done in several ways, including paying in 4 interest-free installments or financing your purchase over a longer period of time. To split your payment into 4 interest-free installments, simply select this option and Klarna will automatically divide your total purchase amount into 4 equal payments. You will be required to pay the first installment at the time of purchase, with the remaining 3 installments due every 2 weeks. Alternatively, you can choose to finance your purchase over a longer period of time, such as 6 or 12 months. This option will also split your payment into installments, but you will be charged interest on your outstanding balance. Before completing your purchase, make sure to review the terms and conditions of your payment plan, including the total amount you will pay, the interest rate, and the due dates for each installment. It is also important to ensure that you can afford the monthly payments and that you understand any potential late fees. Once you have reviewed and agreed to the terms, you can complete your purchase and Klarna will send you reminders when each installment is due. You can also log in to your Klarna account at any time to view your payment schedule and make payments online. By following these steps, you can easily split your payments with Klarna and enjoy the flexibility of paying for your purchases over time. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your payment plan and make timely payments to avoid any late fees or interest charges. Klarna also provides a range of benefits, including no interest or fees when you pay on time, and the ability to track your payments and spending in one place. By using Klarna to split your payments, you can take control of your finances and make purchases with confidence.